All right, you guys, this is going to be I think this is day number 7 in our journey on our E8 one step 100K account. You guys, I'm currently up about 1%. But before we get into this video, you guys, I have to do a quick government risk disclaimer and tell you guys that trading is risky. I am not a financial advisor. The information that you receive in this video, it is not financial advice. It is intended for educational and entertainment purposes only, to teach you guys more about prop firm trading, and in particularly a prop firm called E8 Markets, you guys. So let's get into this video. I'm going to be going over pretty much the trade that I took yesterday. I only took one trade yesterday, so that was really nice. Was able to just get that one trade in and then leave because we had that 2 p.m. FOMC news, and I've blown so many accounts, right, trading out those type of news events. So I wanted to just have some discipline and not over trade and not do too much, right? So this is the trade that I took right here, you guys, and I'm going to go into my trading view and show you guys what I was looking at. But essentially what we had in here was our first presented fair value gap that I always talk about so much. There was a also a 1 hour order block that was holding price down, and essentially I was just taking this sell, and my target was like the bottom of these lows, but I pretty much got out a little bit early, and I was able to make about, I think it was about $400 and something, right? $400 and something on that trade, and that pretty much got my account back up to break even on the week, which was nice. All right, so let's take a look at what I was looking at on TradingView. First, I'm going to let's just go into the 1 hour first so I can show you guys what I was looking at yesterday. So this was the price action from yesterday, right? We had these two order blocks, right? As the market opened, we climbed into these order blocks. I wanted to sell right in here as the market opened, but I've been trying to, follow my system. And one of the things about me is that I try to wait until at least the first 15 or 30 minutes until the market is open. That way I can avoid getting faked out. But I was like really confident that this 1 hour order block was going to hold. We had this 1 hour gap right here that was left open, so that was like a breakaway gap. So I was really confident that this was going to hold, but I still was proud of myself for waiting until things unfolded the way that I wanted to see them unfold, right? So let's go to the 1 minute, you guys, right? This is going to be a very quick breakdown video. Let's go into the 1 minute. Gotta scroll to the left, right? And then maybe if I have some time, I'm going to talk a little bit about what I'm expecting to see with today's price action, some of the key levels I'm expecting to see today, right? So this was where we was at, you guys. We had that rejection as the market opened. You guys can see right here, this is 9:30 candle right here. Market opened, rejected, right? We had our first presented fair value gap. The market pulled back into there, and then that's where I sold, right? So just a very simple trade. You guys know I talk about first presented fair value gaps all the time. Some people don't think that they work. Some people don't think that they matter. That's up to you guys to figure that out on your own by backtesting it on your own. I'm not here to promote ICT concepts. You guys have to figure that out for yourself. But some of the things I'm going to be looking at today, right? We do have a order block on the 3 hour time frame. So I will be looking at, as we are making all-time highs right here, I will be looking at this order block to see if this is going to hold, if the market is even going to want to pull back into this level at all. And then we also have our midnight opening price from midnight, right? The most current or the most recent midnight. We have this yellow line right here. So if the market wants to come down and give us a chance to enter to keep going back up, that's what I'm going to be looking for today, because I do believe that price action will be bullish today. I'm expecting to see this gap right here on the 3 hour chart get left open, and then obviously if we drop down to the 1 hour as well, you guys can see there's also a 1 hour order block in here as well. And then I'm also going to be looking to see if this gap is going to be left open as well, because obviously if these gaps are left open, then I do believe that price is going to remain bullish for the day. And then the last thing I want to show you guys is the daily chart, and that is because, you know, typically when we get a breakout over a swing high, we do get like a little retest right around the breakout level. So this is our breakout level right here. So it's also connecting with our 3-hour order block and our midnight opening price. And then we also have on the daily, right, these two are going to be daily order blocks, but I don't think we're going to get all the way down here just yet. If price do come all the way down here, that will be even better, because I don't think we're going to be going, you know, much lower than that. So that, I think, you know, if we do get down here, be much better. But obviously, like I said, I would prefer to see those gaps left open, because I'm going to be trying to look for buys today, you guys. So that's pretty much all, you guys. Just real quick, real simple video, just to keep you guys updated with my journey on my on getting funded with E8 markets. You guys, let's try to get this video up to 10 likes. You know, that's all I really want on this video is 10 likes. Also, one last thing I want to say before we wrap this video up is that, you know, if you want to support my channel, the best way to do it is that if you're already buying prop firms, it doesn't matter if it's with E8 markets, Funder Pro, Alpha Capital. Y'all know those are the top 3 companies that I like, but I'm also affiliated with Apex, Trade Day, and many other prop firms as well. And those links will be in the description below. But if you guys want to support my channel, obviously dropping a like or using my creator code, which is KRACKEN, is one of the best ways to support this channel, you guys. If you haven't started trading prop firms yet, I do recommend maybe you start with E8 Markets, Funder Pro, or Alpha Capital, and you can register. And the links will be in the description below, you guys. So that's the video, you guys. I hope everybody have a great day today. It is already 8:08 a.m. in the morning. I'm just now getting this video done for you guys, because, you know, I'm on the road, I'm trucking, and, you know, I've been working hard every day. So that's the video, you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.